to wait because this candle is not sure. It's slowly going up, but it's not that strong up like I was thinking there will be. And now we put 9 pounds. Wait, and you can see those good one. Then we'll just put for 2 minutes because we have one green in here. Another candle we have red one. Stochastic is cross a red black line across the red one, and it's going downwards. Then this one will break. So minutes for this candle. Basically in here, 1, 2, 3. A small support in here. Right. Then basically now I'm not risking our 10 pounds. I just play with 9 pounds. My next trend, because that was the winning one. Yeah, you can see it's going now up. So we need to wait a little longer because might be up movement. It didn't go above the 10 SMA. It still didn't cross in here. Might go down. But it didn't break the 50 SMA. That's the point, right? It didn't break yet. It's between these two lines. That's means in a second might be a very good strong movement, but we don't know which way yet. Now we have strong movement down. Takes 3 seconds for this candle to stop. Stochastic going down. Ready, go. And this is a very strong red candle, which is below all the lines and everything. Then we should have down movement still continue for the next 2 minutes. Just trying to go up on this moment. And we'll show you in a second we drop down. Seconds. Okay. Wait. 656, 72%. Very good. I'm happy with that. Even if you have, I know this is small lot, only 10 pounds or 9 pounds, and you might think that I'm some kind of a scammer or something, but the point is, if you can start making small amount every day, even this 60-70%, the 6 pounds, during the week or two, you will start to make 10, 20, 40, 100, 300 pounds even, because you will have winning score about 50 to 70%, sometimes maybe 95 if you go wait for 2 minutes and you go properly review. But you might need to always remember that trend might go against you. Then sometimes it's better take this 72 or 60% and be safe.